How to change caption language on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, make sure to update your YouTube app to the latest version. Now tap to launch it. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on gear icon at top right corner to access the settings section. Scroll down and locate Video and Audio Preferences section. Select Captions. Once you land on this page, you need to make sure to toggle the button on for caption preferences so that you can change the caption language on YouTube app. Now choose language. Currently it has been set to default. You can easily scroll to the bottom of the screen and locate any language as per your convenience. And once you have done that, you will successfully change caption language on YouTube app. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.